up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Life with Ashley J. I'm a little bit geeked right now. Someone knocked at the door, and lo and behold, it was the UPS man. Woo! He is super essential to me and everybody else that's essentially working. Thank you. Anyway, the month of May is always something very special to me. I have Mother's Day, my birthday, and I always do like a Memorial Day like thing because my birthday is always around that time. So I have fun. This time last year before the pandemic, I was able to leave the country and just be free and just kind of explore. This year I'm just going to have to do something different. So I took it upon myself to go online and purchase me a couple different things for my birthday and Mother's Day. So one of the packages arrived today. It was important that I did the unboxing. The true unboxing with you guys is right here. So if you guys want to see what's in this box, keep on watching. Okay. So I'm going to do the unboxing. I gotta make sure my address is not on here. So before I do the unboxing, put in the comments what you guys think it is. If you were like really know me, what do you think it is? It's something I've been wanting for some time, and I debated whether I was gonna get it or not. So I'm unboxing it in front of you guys. This is really my birthday gift, to be honest. One of them. So, anywho, y'all ready? Y'all ready? You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready, girl? Or gentlemen, whoever's watching. Are you ready? I'll be extra, I know. Oop, it fell on the floor. My card. All my credentials are in here. The UPS, if I want to return it, which I won't. LV, yes, my authenticity, it's legit. Y'all that know me, know I'm buying nothing fake. It's down. Can you guess what it is yet? Guess. Okay, here we go. Let me tell y'all a little background while I'm opening this, before I open it. So let me tell y'all, I went on another website about something it was like an alternate Mother's Day gift, and I bought it. I was like, okay, I just pushed whatever, and I bought it. Then, like the Holy Spirit was speaking to me, was saying, you know what, actually work hard, go back on the Louis Vuitton website and see the item you want. It's on there, because I went on there to actually purchase it, and it was like call for availability. No, it said notify me, and it usually notify me like they don't have any more in stock. So next morning, I got up, prayed, did my devotion, and it was like, it said place in cart. I was so happy. So my little ribbon. What is this? Some type of little card. I'm not gonna open it. Or maybe I will. What the heck? It's probably not nothing on here. No, it's not. In case I want to, give it to somebody. Or somebody was giving it to me. So, by the looks of it, hopefully you guys can tell what I have. And we're going to open. That's what I have. I got the Emily Wallet and Demi Vin print and rouge. So hopefully guys, it's coming up kind of pink and my nails are pink. That is actually rouge, aka red. But I'll link it down below. But here's all the little tabbies that are in here. For those, oh, forgot to tell y'all, I got it hot stamped. So I have my initials right here, AKJ, hot stamped in gold. This piece was made in France, as you guys can see. And this is what turned me on to this wallet, y'all. This is the iPhone XS. This like totally turned me on to this wallet, y'all. Like, and I have a case and a pop socket on it. So just imagine if I didn't have that on there. So in the front it has 4 card slots, and then it has the zippy tab. I'm sorry, y'all, it's coming up orange. Okay, hopefully now it's coming up red. Hopefully you guys can see. But it has this big space. It has a slot here, and you turn it around, and there's a slot here, and then you hear that? It's fresh. And it has that there. So yeah, guys. And I will show y'all. You know what? Hold on, I am gonna show y'all. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm gonna show y'all my old wallet. Okay. Show you my old wallet. This is the Josephine. And this one, I forgot what color this is in. But this is my old wallet. And it's nothing wrong with it, honestly. But I've grown out of the monogram print. I really love this print. It holds up a little bit better. Look at the glazing on that. But I don't want to make this video too long. I'm so excited. I'm going to put a link down below for this wallet if you guys are interested in this. This is one of their envelope long wallets that are on the less pricier side. I don't even know if I should be saying that, because some of y'all be like, Ashley, are you serious? Some of the wallets can be like almost $1,000. And this one in particular for a long wallet is not. So yeah, it looks really good. I'm excited about my piece. So excited. I'm just looking at everything. So yeah. Yeah, that's what I have purchased. I do want to get a couple other pieces, but because we're in a pandemic, I've been pacing myself, because really I wanted a new bag and a new wallet. And those of you guys that follow me on any social media platforms, excuse me, on my Poshmark account, I sold the Damier Ebene Felice Pochette. I believe that's what it was. I purchased that item in Amsterdam. I sold that last year on Poshmark, and I also sold my Never Full and monogram print because I live in Minnesota and the climate is just jacked up, and I needed an all-around tote that I could take to travel, to the store, to wherever I go, and I kind of like just did away with that. I kind of miss it, but I'm going to replace it in Damier print one of these days. So yeah, thanks so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. Okay? Until next time, stay kind, love always, and peace.